Okay, yes, it is showing you are live. Okay, perfect. Now it is okay. How come? All right, so I think, yeah, I was just saying, once again I'm just informing you guys. Okay, so let's say, so in 1 minute we have a news. Okay, the market is in the downfall. Okay, market is in the bearish mode now today. If we talk about gold, right, so it is okay, see now, news came and then it came down. Wow, it's a good movement. Immediately it came down. And so CPI, what is that? I'll just check it. I'm just checking it, what was the expected one and what is the currently it is showing. Okay, so yeah, so 0 0.3. okay, still not updated here. You see now market is moving boom upside. Okay, so the CPI is 0 0.4, so it is bullish for go this one, bullish for what? USD, right? Because this news is related to the USD. So when this market, this bullish, this any news is bullish for good for USD, that means bad for gold or bad for commodity USD, commodity BTC, etc. Right? But market is going upside. Why it is going up? Right? This we need to check. Why it is going upside? Because sometimes market moves up opposite to that news, okay, and then later it corrects itself. So this could have happened now itself, right? So you see here now it's a almost $10 movement happened and it broke on everything. Now it will fall down as per my understanding. Meantime, let me try to take some trade. Okay, so 1 minute, let me open my terminals. It is okay. So when I check on 5 minute, yeah, so this is nothing, it's coming up to here and then it might fall down from here. So because it came too much down, right? So maybe the people over there, they were just trying to sell off all the things, closing the positions. That's why it is moving up, and then again they will start to fall, start to, then it will sell off. So let me open, yeah, so let me try to trade it quickly. And Bitcoin is falling down, right, in a similar manner. So gold also should fall down, right, as per my understanding. Now I think now it will fall down. Yes, that is sure, it will come down. If dollar is moving up, and then gold definitely will come down, man. Or we can expect gold movement up to next to 1 or 2 I think next 12 $10 as well. So let me check if I can. I bought some. Okay, very good, huge quantity I bought it. Let's say $9,000 profit. Oh my goodness, so it's moving against me and then it is showing some losses. Wait, अभी बाद में bought it huge quantity. You see, if you, I'm just sharing my screen to Exness one, this one. Now see, oh my god, I stuck here. Ooh, I was taking 5, but by mistaken it was 55. No, my god. Come on. Let me close the trade. Oh no. Anyway, let's analyze. Meantime, this will come down. Oh no, 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 no. Market is, yeah, that's what sometimes we take some trades and then I'm just trying to close this one. 1 minute, let's see, because this is a huge amount. Oh no. Otherwise I need to hedge it. So I'm just trying to my position got stuck, so I'm just trying to fix it. Just wait, guys. Hello guys, hello everyone, how are you doing today? Okay, so basically I got stuck in one of the trades, so that's why I was just trying to protect my capital. Okay, and somehow luckily I've done that, and then it's good. So okay, so I think this is good. So let's see now what will happen. So currently what is happening into the market, let's see that, because now see the now market in the 15-minute time frame, the gold is taking rejection from the top. That means we have many rejection, we have a strong resistance over there. If we talk about in 15-minute time frame, right? So when we go for the on the higher time frame, then yes, it is just taking the retracement. If you see here, it just came down to from this previous low, that is the yesterday's low. Okay, and then it came down from this low to grab the liquidity, whatever the liquidity was here, it grabbed that liquidity and then trying to go up, right? And immediately it went up during that time, right? But now let's see, because now the market structure is framing like this, lower high and lower lows, it's framing, and similarly all the red candles, and then after big green candles, it's from forming, right? So it doesn't mean it is coming turning up to the bullish movement. No, it is still in the bearish mode, and we can expect this bearish mode until we can expect this bearish move until this particular level, that is 3580. Okay, so let's try to trade in case if we find some good opportunity beyond this. If market is breaking this down, then we will go for the short trade. In the meantime, if I found anything here, let me move to the 5-minute time frame. You see the market is in the downfall now, right? It's an uptrend, or it's not an uptrend, it's in downtrend now in 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute and all. But now market is unconfluent because it's going against the trade. So we will not take buy trade, we will go here for the down trade only. Okay, if you see here in 5 minutes it is coming down. Okay, but if you see here, this tried to break this previous, it was tried to there is a break of structure happened, right? So if we clearly notice this one in 5 minutes, this break of structure happened, right? This one done first, then second one done first, then third one first, right? So let's assume this one done. Okay, if this has been completed, that means now market shifted to the uptrend, right? So that what will happen now, so either from here it can move up, but this pullback, let's see. So that in that case, if this is the break of structure, that means if we can say, okay, let me mark it, this is the break of structure, right? So this is a BOS. So if it is the BOS, however, there is other BOS also, this is also the BOS, this is also the BOS. Okay, so 1 2 3. So now this is the break of structure, and then market is trying to go up further until this one. Let's try if we can catch this move, so that if this is the break of structure, this is the first one. Okay, this is the second one, and so market it came again, it came to this particular point, that means it should retrace. Okay. So now if market is coming up from this candle, right, so then we will enter here for the long trade. Okay. So now our logic will be like this, but before entering this one, let me tell you one more thing here. If you see here, okay, there is this one and there is a clear gap over there, this candle and this candle. That means this is the order flow candle for me, right? Correct. So let's see, this is the order flow candle for us. So we can mark this candle as an order flow candle, and market can come up to here. Okay, market can up to here, and then maybe it it it, it could take support from here and then move further on the upside. Clear? So now market can move up to that position, and hopefully this will be fine for us. Let's see now. All right, so we have a clear trade plan now. So let's try. Okay, so not here. See, there is a we can plan for this order block entry. Okay, as long as market come over here, we will enter. Okay, I think this will be the more safe. Okay, and we can make this stop loss small, and this will be our target. Okay, almost 1 is to 4 the risk reward. So market now what it will do, it will create a few more candles here, and then it can come down and then it can go up further, or it can come down and break this low and then further until here. Okay, so two options. If it is breaking up upside, then it will go up to here, then we'll analyze later. Otherwise, if it is coming down, I mean if it continues the down movement, then it will break this one and break this low, okay, that today's low, and then come down over here. Okay, so let's see now what will happen and how we can trade this one. So let's wait for some more time. So I'm just muting myself here now, okay, and then stop switching off my camera for a few minutes. Okay, later we'll again. However, I'm here only, so later again I'll come back on this. Okay, so meantime we can just analyze our trades, analyze them, and monitor our trading views, more trading view screen. Okay, and based on that we will plan to take the trade. All right, guys. Hello everyone, I'm back. So you saw that, right? I think you might have seen this, right? So this is our order block, and from here, you see, this is taking rejection. So I mean that it is taking support and then it is moving up. However, say if market is respecting this particular order block, then it again market will go up. Otherwise, what market will do, again it will just create one green candle, so that people will enter, retailers will enter again, and then again it can come down to, you know, to sweep this liquidity. However, you see here this already swept the liquidity, so there is no liquidity at all here, right? So now market will come down here further, or market can move upside. So whatever the remaining liquidity is there, that is up to here, or some new retailers, whatever whoever is entered here, I mean this is a stop loss for them, then that might not come back here. Okay, otherwise market will come down. If it breaks this one, then market come down, and then it can come up to this level. Okay, 3580. So this is what, let's see in higher time frame what it is, what's happening actually. If you see clearly, it's a uptrend and this is the retracement, and now market is actually trying to, you know, this in 1 hour time frame. You see here, if this is the now this is shifting towards where it is trying to shift. Now this is in the this looks like a BOS, okay, in the downside, right? Or COB, we can say it's a change of character, right? So it's a CH or CH. Instead of BOS, I can write it CH or CH, change of character. If this is properly the change of character, that means market will come down and continue to down movement until here. Okay, it seems, I mean, but this is the right, I mean this is just, it is showing, yeah, this is the low for this one. So as per my rules, it should be the valid, okay, valid change of character or valid pullback, but it seems, so you saw that, just right? A minute, my you might have seen this, right? So this is our order block, and from here, you see, this is taking a, sorry, my YouTube was there, so it just, that sound was there, so I just stopped that. Okay, so now you can see here, right? So this is actually coming down. Okay, so the first candle, this one, the green candle, it took all the liquidity from here. Okay, whatever the people, they took stop loss over on this particular place, it hunted all the stop losses here and then came down, and now market is moving further to the downside. I think market will go further towards the downside. So no more we can say, because if we enter here, this will be big one. So let's say I can enter here itself, and then I can not this one, not long, it should be short trade. So I mean from here, let's say, and then this will be our target, and then where it will be our stop loss is too big, that's why I will come back to 15 minutes. Okay, so and the stop loss, as per this stop loss, for me that will be my stop loss up to here. Okay, so though it is stop loss is too wide, 63 to 22, almost $11 stop losses here, so I can keep a little more. So let me do it just a minute guys, again I'm getting one call.